If you want to upload a landscape video on Instagram Reels, here's a simple process. Open Instagram. Now click on the plus icon given at the top left. With that, your gallery will open up. Now here you're gonna find few options, set it to Reel. Then go ahead and select the video that you wanna upload in landscape mode. After you select the video, click on the option Edit Video. Now go ahead and click on the option Crop. Now I can turn this video in the landscape mode. Just use your fingers to adjust and position it so it appears in landscape mode within the reel frame. You can also use the editing tools at the bottom like text, stickers, music, effects and filters to customize your reel. Once everything looks right, play it back to confirm the landscape orientation is correct, then tap next and upload a reel. And that's all it takes to post a landscape video on Instagram Reels. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.